The market is getting greener. Is this the reversal that everybody waiting for? We're gonna discuss this because we're gonna discuss the SPY. We're gonna discuss one stock is squeezing almost 100%. First stock we got Kala. Second one we got VVOS. Then we got Nike. On our pre-market update on Patreon, first off we discussed Kala and we said we have to break the 34.28 cent, which will be the first trigger for a squeeze toward the 45. After that we discussed this profit taking around the 55.81. The price hit our level of profit taking around the 55.81 and see what's happened, a red candle forming. Next one we got the VVOS. We discussed this stock is been pumping 200%, and what we said in the pre-market, we did even short analysis. We talked about this support, the $1.34, and we said the $2.16 is the first profit taking, and the second one the $2.68. We hit those two profit taking and we went almost the $3. Right now we have another support around the $1.85. Nike breaking those 117 and still pumping. As we discussed before, this is a breakout zone for Nike. Muln reverse from our support around this orange box when we did the short analysis for it as well, when we said this should be the support between the 29 cent and 30 cent, and the price reversed as we discussed it in our short analysis on our Patreon. I'm gonna do update for muln after this video, so stay tuned for this update for muln, the price target and everything you want to know for price action for the coming days for muln. So let's start our video with Kala, because this stock is been jumping since the end of last year, and the price jumped imagine from the $4 until now almost 1,200%, and still the price is bumping. We got a lot of comments when I did a video exactly around this breakout zone, and one of the comments said pretty late for Kala because the price is already jumped 500%, and guess what, already it's still pumping, and now almost or over the 1,000%. Is not over until it's over. What does it mean? There's always opportunity in the market. When you say I missed this trade or I missed this opportunity, it means you don't have a strategy. It means you don't have a technical level to enter or exit. Even though the price go almost 100% to 100%, there's a potential for entry if we have a technical level or support to hold. So for Kala, respected our level and still doing higher highs, and that's why we suggest today to enter around this breakout zone around the 34.28 cents, and this was the trigger for entry for us, and the price went until the first profit taking the 45. We did 27%, and we said the other profit taking around the 55, so we did almost today 60%. Really good hunt for us for today. So where is the price target for Kala after this level of profit taking that it triggered today? So the 55.80 cents is the first profit taken. Now this should be our support for coming days to hold the 45. 55.81 is our current resistance. What we should expect now, we need to hold the 45, then continue toward the 68 profit taking, the next one. This should be the second profit taking after the 55 if we held above the 45. Next up we got VVOS as well. We discussed this on our pre-market update and it was pretty volatile. We did almost 150%, so that's why we suggest this one will be a pretty volatile, and the profit taking triggered pretty fast after we said the $1.34 is our support, and we didn't even go below for this support, and we never tested, and we went parabolically up for our first profit taking and the second profit taking near to the $3. Now we see a pulling back, of course, because a lot of people trigger profit taking, and we need to hold the current support, the $1.85, to continue toward those profit taking, the $3 and $4. So we have to watch out for this support. If we don't hold the $1.85, just wait for the $1.34 support to have a reversal. If we held this level of support for VVOS, it means the price will continue to have another pump like Kala toward the $3 and the $4 next time. Nike is doing pretty good. The price is still holding above the 117.77, which is the breakout zone for Nike. If we still continue to hold above this current support, we're gonna have a test for the 127 and then the 138 for Nike. As everybody knows, we got a really good earning last year. That's why the price gapped up from the 102 support. It did a great jump until this level of resistance, the 117, and accumulated for a few days. Then the price jump again. Let me just go for the SPY, because it's really important to discuss the SPY to see what's going on with the market. Right now we're still inside this bearish channel. The last 2 years in December, when we hit all-time high for the SPY around the 472, then we enter this bearish trend, and we never broke this channel. Every time we test from above, we got rejected. Every time we test from below, we bounce. And last time we have the bounce for this channel was around December last year. That's why the price went down and enter a bit of bearish momentum. That's why we're breaking this bearish channel from above around the 400 will give us the first signal for formation for enter and bullish trend for the whole market. Otherwise, we still accumulate. We still not decided yet for the whole market, because if we still trading below the 400, this means we continue to go toward the 360. So that's why I'm watching the SPY, because give us a bit of sentiment of the market and the volatility. If the SPY over the 400, we're gonna have a volatility and easy squeeze for many stock. That's why we have to watch out for the SPY, to watch out if trend change for the market, so we will be ready to hunt for the bottom price for many stocks. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future updates that we're gonna do here on our channel, and see you in the next video for muln.